Hello everyone! Last week we discussed the basics of sound and we talked about pitch. We talked about low, medium, and high pitch, as well as rising pitch, or as we call it, ascending, and falling pitch, which we call descending. This week we're going to talk about speed. And with speed we have all heard some very slow music, medium speed music, fast music, and we have experienced when we play together how we get faster or how we get slower. So let's get on with it and explore some of that together today. Now here's some slow music. Of scene do you think it would be? You can rewind it and see if you can beat time with your finger in the air. It's very slow, and everybody at home is a conductor, so give it a try. Now here's some more slow music. How many instruments are there? What do you think they are? There's a penny whistle, guitar, and piano. Now, what do you think the quarter note of 58 means? It means that a speed of 58 beats per minute is roughly 1 a second. It's a little bit slower than 1 a second. Okay. Now here's some slow drum music. Get your counting hats on and see if you can count together with the drum beats. See how many sets of 4 beats are in the recording. How many do you think there are? 2. Okie doke. Now here's some very slow music for a type of oboe that's called a cor inglés. This is called English horn, cor inglés, English horn, and is different than the oboe. The distinct sound is a very, very nasal sound. See if you have heard that tune before. Music composed by Edvard Grieg, and it's called Morning from his suite Per Gynt. Now let's go explore some medium music. What part of the world do you think this comes from? Cool. It comes from Africa. Now, let's go to this one. By the way, I used to have the same metronome when I was a child. It was just red. Absolute same brand, same everything. What do you think is the origin of this music? It comes from Spain. The main instrument is acoustic guitar. You see quarter note equals 98. Now here is classical music for piano. Now it's time to be a conductor. Alrighty, now it's time to get to fast music. Fast music is also known as allegro. What do you think is this instrument? If you have guessed a brass instrument, you might not know the name. This is a euphonium. Euphonium. Sounds difficult. And here is some very fast piano music. How good are you at math? You have 198 beats a minute. Is it more than 2 beats a second, more than 3 beats a second, or more than 4 beats a second? Come on, do math. A little bit more. Who's going to be the winner? Slightly more than 3 beats a second. Now let's talk about getting faster. The term for getting faster is called accelerando. Try to say it with me. Accelerando. What instrument do you think this is? It's a xylophone. Try to say it with me. A xylophone. It's a percussion instrument. Now here is the music with piano. The violin is kind of easy to hear. The cello, not so much. So there are 3 instruments: violin, cello, and piano. And here is a pair of tabla drums. They come from India. Here is a video that I hope will impress you. How about that? Now let's talk about getting slower. Slower means ritardando, or as it's abbreviated by saying rit, or rallentando, or saying ral. Violin and piano. The mood is changing. It's gonna be sad. Yup. Now here is customary ritardando at the end of the piece. In addition to the trumpet, you can also hear timpani. Like giant kettles. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. It was fun. Have a good week.